How's it going today, guys? Today's quick tip is how to properly flip your mower up on its side and which way to do it. Believe it or not, there is a right and a wrong way to do this. If you do it the wrong way, I'll show you exactly what happens, but there is a right and a wrong way to flip your mower. Now, typically on every mower, you have a side that has a carburetor on it. You have a side that has an exhaust on it. Okay, so when we are flipping this mower over, we always want the carburetor side up. Now, when you flip the mower over, you try to make sure there's minimal gas in the tank. If you just filled it up, or if it has a little bit too much gas, what you can do is you can take a plastic bag, sandwich bag, whatever it is, put it on your gas cap and flip it over after that, and that will help prevent the fuel from dripping out of your machine when you flip it over. Okay, now that's one way to flip the machine over. Now sometimes you will notice on some of Briggs & Stratton, other Briggs & Stratton engines, like this guy right here. Alright, this would be a Quantum engine. When you flip this guy over, still the carburetor side and the air filter side must go up. The exhaust side goes down. But you might find that a little bit of fuel from the carburetor float bowl, which is up and underneath here, if there's any fuel in that float bowl, it's possible that it could go into the engine. Okay? But that's nowhere near as bad as what I'm about to show you if you flip it the wrong way. Okay, take a look at this air filter. Now, this air filter sits up here on top of the engine just like that. Somebody has obviously flipped this motor, or this lawnmower, with the air filter and the carburetor side down. What happens then is oil from the bottom of the engine and the sump underneath in here will actually go through the cylinder, depending on where the piston is, could come out through the intake and up and actually fill up, and this thing is actually full of oil. It's completely saturated with oil. There's oil all in here, and the only way oil is getting in there is if someone's purposely pouring it in there, which obviously no one's going to do, or this last person who owned this machine flipped it over with the air filter side and the carburetor side down. Okay, so this is exactly why we don't want to do this. Now ideally, I was telling you about the fuel on this guy possibly getting from the carburetor into the engine block cylinder. Not nearly as bad, but an even better way to flip up your mower would be to flip it so that the cylinder goes up like so. If you need to get underneath here, this is the absolute best way to get up and underneath here. That way here all the oil stays in the crankcase, and we don't have any issue with oil coming out of the carburetor and saturating this air filter. This is pretty much toast now. I'm not going to be able to save this. I guess unless you had some like massive degreaser, probably best just something like that to replace your oil filter. So if you don't want to keep replacing your oil filter every time you flip your machine, guys, please go ahead and flip it the right way. So if you guys enjoyed the content, maybe you learned something, go ahead and click the like button and the subscribe button, even the bell for the notifications there. I got lots of new videos always coming out, and if you want to be notified when they come out, go ahead and click that bell notification button. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, take care.